So guys, we'll cook by myself because my mom is so Tagalog. So I'm gonna get a plate right over there. You see? You see that? That thing right over there? That's my dishes. Those are my dishes. So let me go get them, right? Okay. Okay, I'm back. Bowl and the plate, of course, because I'm gonna put the egg yolk here and then I'm gonna put the plate. Okay, let me get a spoon so that I can get all the little so that I can get the eggs, like the what is this? The eggshell, so that I can like remove it from the plate or bowls. Okay, one egg here. And 2 eggs. Okay, let's go crack one first. Oh. Oh my god. I breaked it. Okay, just stay in there. Oh my god, we need more. We need to crack them more. Oh yeah. You see that? It's so wiggly. Get out now. Just I just put the egg. I just put the eggshells. The eggshells are here just now. I need to get those egg yolks. Ah! There's a skin. There's a skin of the egg. That's frustrating. I just need to go. I need to put the egg. Why? I keep putting the egg yolks. I think it's just gonna be okay. Okay, whatever. Let's just go from the egg. The one already cracked. We need to break this thing off. Oh my god. Oh, it's open. It's open. It's definitely open now. You see that egg yolk? Look. Look, guys, look. OMG. That's the egg yolk. Okay. Wow! Those card. Okay, one egg done. Let's go from another. Oh! Wow! There. Oh. Ooh, yo. Again. Let's keep. Oh yeah, it's coming. The the yolk is leaking. We need to crack it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Woo! Okay. So we're just gonna like put it in there. Oh, it's wiggling. How are we gonna just like it's touching the egg yolk is not coming out well. We need to crack it more. So you just before you just saw me, I just make a mess while I was cooking by myself. So just now I'm cooking by myself again. There's so much things that I put wrong. Look at that. It can. Holy cow. Oh. Oh, there's a skin. Oh yeah. Oh no! I put it from the wrong thing. It should be here from the. Okay. I got juicy things coming to me. Oh yeah. Woo! We're getting to the yolk. Guys, you see the yolk? Boop! Holy moly! Okay, now let's get sugar. Where's sugar? I need sugars. No more. I don't have sugar. Okay, whatever. Let's just do it without the sugar. Just don't judge me. Give me all these things, David. Look at this. Look at it like this. Yeah, look at the yolk. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that yolk. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, I need to keep mixing up. Mix. Oh my god, what my baby just took from my mom's glasses. Oh, what is wrong? My mom's glass is gonna be broken. Hey, that's gonna be for my lunch. Can you see I'm cooking egg? Welcome to Ewan and Kel vlog. Hi. Okay, so just now I'm cooking dinner by myself. Wow. Because my mommy always sleep very long time. Yeah, I think it's done. It's almost. I'm so excited. Okay, so guys, let's go. Oh no! Okay, I need to throw these. Get off! Okay, now let's go pour it. Let's go pour it with this. My baby's so annoying. Okay, let's put this egg yolk. Whoa, it's like raining. Okay, we need to put. Ouch. Okay, there. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let's go from the oven. Okay, so guys, we're gonna start. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Just stay. Oh my god. Just stay here, okay? I'm gonna put it to the oven. Right over here. So just now we have my new oven right over there for baking cakes, also baking some pies. Okay, let me put the egg yolks. They're ready to go. Hey. Okay. Woohoo! Okay. Bye bye. You hear that sound? It was So we're gonna dance and we wait. Oh. Wait. I'm a schoolmate. Okay. So make sure these don't crack because those are new for my mom. Oh, it's done. Done. Ooh, it's almost done, but it missed spots. See? It's almost done, but we need to 1, 2. Okay, I press 2 and you will see the oven right over there. Make sure this one doesn't fall because this is new. My mommy just get that phone because it's gonna fall and then it's gonna break and it break. Dance. Dance. Welcome. This is my baby Iskil. Hi. He's so heavy. He's 2 years old. That's why. But I can still lift him. My baby cannot touch the floor. Time to go down. Dance. Oh, it's done. Okay, let's go. Ooh, it's almost done. It's almost done, guys. Look. It just made a little spot right there. Oh, I'm so ready to eat. Okay. Gail, come here. We're gonna dance. Beep, 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 beep. Egg. The egg is here from my oven. Egg. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Mamma mia. Poop, 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 poop. We're about. Oh. We need to press. We need to press the eggs. Okay. We need one more spot. And are you excited? Say hi again to the guys. Hi. Hi. Oh no. Hey. My baby cannot reach the floor. Yay. It's like, go down now. We're dancing. Dance. I'm a gorilla. Oh, you smell that, guys? Oh, it's the egg. Oh, something just popped. Okay, I think it's done. Oh, cry. Okay. Come on, let's go for the eggs. Ooh, you got eggs? Eggs. Ooh, eggs. Hot. The plate is so hot. The plate is really hot. I need to wear these. But it's not gonna be easy. Oh! Ow! Oh my god, it's hot. Oh! It's hot. It burns. Oh, Bob. It's burn. Oh, Bob. It's hot! I need to dip my hands on cold water. Oh, but hey, I already dipped my hands on cold water. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, look at my egg. Look, yeah, it's already done. It's nice and squishy, but it's a little bit solid. Oh. Okay, so I'm scooping rice and I will get some ketchup too. There. Okay. So let me get my spoon. Okay, spoon are done and rice are done too. So I'm gonna place this one. And ketchup. You know what, guys? You know what? What crush? I have a question for you guys. Well, I was cooking the food. So, what is my favorite sauce? Yeah, that's right, guys. It's ketchup. Of course, I got my ketchup. And I will go sauce it into my... Woo! Oh. Yeah! Look at this dinner. Dinner time! Woohoo! Let's go. Let's go with my plate. Ah! I cannot really reach this one, guys. Okay. Something is going right.